Series Integrated 3 is problem 3-54. It's asking whether the functions are even, odd, or neither. So you can tell it's an even function if when you plug negative x into it, you end up with just f of x, like whatever you started with. And if you plug negative x into an odd function, you'll end up with negative f of x. And if it's neither, well, then you'll end up with neither f of x nor negative f of x. So we're going to start out by just plugging negative x in, or finding out what f of negative x is. So all that means is I'm just going to plug a negative x in to my function. So I can clean this up a little bit, though, because I know that a negative times a negative times a negative is a negative, and that this cube root can actually come out as negative cubed root of x. So this and this is f of negative x, and this one's f of x. They're opposites of each other. When they're opposites of each other, then the function is odd. So we can say it's odd. Okay, let's find out what f of negative x is here. So I plugged in negative x everywhere, and so f of negative x is equal to negative x to the fifth is like a negative raised to an odd power is going to be a negative. So I can rewrite it as negative 9x to the fifth, and then a negative times a negative is a positive. So now I'm going to look at the original function, f of x, and f of negative x, and I'm going to compare them. Sorry, that's messy. It's 9x to the fifth, though. So these are exact opposites, like 9x to the fifth and negative 9x to the fifth. So that looks like we could maybe end up with an odd function. The second term, they're opposites, but the problem is that the third term, like if this would have been plus 9, then this would have been, we would have had negative f of x. But because it's not, this is just neither. Okay, here's f of negative x. To the 7th power. Okay, so now when I raise like a negative 1 or a negative x to an odd power, I'm going to just have a negative come out. So, and the same thing here. So when I compare them, f of x, both of the terms are positive, and f of negative x, both of the terms are negative. So they're exact opposites of each other. So they're odd. This one's odd.